Most people fail with AI. Not because AI is bad, but because they use it wrong. AI tools are everywhere in 2026. You see them advertised constantly, promising to change your life, your business, everything. Yet when you talk to most people, they say things like, "Yeah, I tried it, but AI just doesn't work for me." The truth is, it's not the AI that's failing, it's the approach. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly why most people fail with AI, the specific mistakes they make, and a clear, step-by-step method you can use to avoid them. There's no hype here, no promises of instant success with zero effort. We're just going to cover what actually works. So, let's start with the biggest mistake I see: using AI without a clear goal. Imagine opening your laptop, pulling up an AI tool like ChatGPT, and just typing something completely random, like, "Make me money," or "Give me some business ideas." This is what most people do. They treat it like a magic lamp. But AI isn't a genie, it's a tool. When you give it a vague, undefined request, it can't possibly give you a useful response. The AI doesn't fail here, the user does by not providing direction. So, what should you do instead? Always start by defining one clear, specific outcome. Instead of, "Give me business ideas," try something like, "I want to start a side hustle. Create a list of 5 beginner-friendly online services I can offer using AI tools." With a target audience of small business owners. See the difference? Clarity equals better output. The more specific your goal, the more tailored and actionable the AI's response will be. This brings us to mistake number 2. Bad prompts create bad results. A lot of people treat AI like it's Google. They type in short, lazy phrases and expect a masterpiece. AI is not a search engine. It's a creative and logical partner. In typing in, "Write something good," is a recipe for disappointment. It's too subjective. What does good even mean? A correct prompt is detailed and provides context. For example, write a 30-second YouTube short script explaining how beginners can earn their first $100 using AI tools in 2026. The tone should be encouraging and easy to understand. This level of detail is how you get ChatGPT and other AI models to perform at their best. The third mistake is a big one: not iterating. Most beginners will take the very first response the AI gives them, see that it's not perfect, and just give up. Professionals never accept the first draft. They treat it as a starting point. They guide the AI. They use follow-up commands like, "Okay, that's a good start. Now make it simpler," or "Rewrite this for an audience of absolute beginners," or "Can you add 3 concrete examples?" or "Now optimize this script for a YouTube Shorts format by adding visual cues." AI improves when you guide it. It's a conversation. This iterative process of refining and improving the output is where the real magic happens. But it's also where most people quit, and that's why they fail. And finally, mistake number 4 is having no system and no automation. A lot of people will use an AI tool once, maybe get a decent result, and then completely forget about it. They never integrate it into their daily workflow. Smart creators and professionals do the opposite. They build systems. They use ChatGPT for content ideation and creation. They might connect it to automation tools like Zapier to streamline tasks. They create repeatable workflows that save them time and energy every single day. This is how you make AI work for you, even while you sleep. It's about building a process, not just performing a one-off task. So now that you know the mistakes, let's walk through the correct step-by-step method. It's actually very simple. First, define one clear goal. Know exactly what you want to achieve before you even open the AI. Second, write a detailed, context-rich prompt. Give the AI all the information it needs to give you a great result. Third, refine the output. Don't accept the first draft. Iterate, give feedback, and guide the AI until the result is exactly what you need. Fourth, take that refined output and turn it into a piece of content, a service for a client, or a part of your business process. And fifth, the most important step, repeat this daily. Make it a habit. That's it. You don't need to be a tech genius or know how to code. You just need a process. If you want more real AI workflows that actually work in 2026, make sure you subscribe to Free AI Tools. I post step-by-step AI systems and tutorials, not just hype. Thanks for watching.